Hello student, welcome to online math school, state board, standard 10th, chapter number 6, statistics 6.3, question number 2. Question 2 क्या है देखो, electricity used by some families as shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. Use of electricity in unit 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Given class is continuous class, right? Number of families, that is frequency 13, 50, 70, 100, 80, 70. What is mean by mode? What is formula for mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Solution, class, use of electricity in unit, number of families, that is frequency. Write the class first, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Here 120 होना जरूरी है, इधर कितना होना जरूरी है, 100 to 120. No printing mistake. Okay. Number of families you have to write 13, 50, 17, 100, 80, 17. Okay. Now, what is highest frequency? Highest frequency of प्रकाश 60 to 80, that is 100. इसको आप क्या बोलते हैं, F1 बोलते हैं. उसका ऊपर का उसको क्या बोलते हैं, F0 बोलते हैं. F0 is 70, राइट. उसका नीचे का that is F2 80 है, इसको F2 बोलते हैं, राइट. ये 100 है और ये 120. ओके. मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी दैट इज 100, दैट इज F1. उसके ऊपर का जो है उसको बोलते हैं प्रेसिडिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट इज 70, दैट इज F0, and succeeding frequency, that is 80, that is F2. Got it? Right? From the table we note that the maximum frequency is 100, that is F1, having class 62 to 80, that is called as model class. This class is called as model class. F1, the maximum frequency, that is 100. F0, the frequency of class preceding the model class is F0, that is 70. F2, that is frequency of the class succeeding of the model class, is equal to what, 80. L, the lower limit of the model class, ये model class है, उसका lower limit 60 है. L is equal to what, 60. H is equal to width of the class 0 to 20, ये interval है, right. 20 minus 0, that is 20. H की value कितना है, 20 है. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That's your formula. Substitute the value. L का value कितना है, 60, F1 100 maximum frequency, F0 70, 100 minus 70, 2F1 2 into 100 minus F0 का value 70 है minus F2 का value 80 है into H का value कितना है, 20 है. Substitute किया, okay. 60 as it is, 100 minus 70, that is 30. Right, 2 into 100, 200, minus 70 minus 80, that is minus 150. 30 as it is, 20 as it is, 60 as it is. 200 minus 150, that is 50. 30 as it is, 200 minus 150, that is 50 into 20. अभी ये सॉल्व करना है मुझे. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे मुझे को, ये 0 0 कौन, 5 1 जा 5 6 जा 6 into 2, that is equal to what, 12. इतना आ गया आंसर, 12 आंसर आ गया. right? 6 into 2, that is 12. 60 plus 12, that is 72. That is 72. Answer should be 72. Mode of the given mode of unit of consumed electricity is equal to what? 72 units, right? Got it? Thank you, my dears.